I understand you are busy, Joe. 1 second. Here we go. Calling case number 230-604-5901. The people of the state of Michigan versus Amir Danielle Napier. The defendants have been charged with count 1, police officer fleeing first degree vehicle code. Count 2, reckless driving causing death. Count 3, operating license suspended, revoked, denied, causing death. Count 4, weapons carrying concealed. Case is set for probable cause today.
All right, appearances for the record, starting with the APA, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jaron Anderson on behalf of the people, P85434.
All right.
Good morning
Counsel.
to this honorable court. Carla Marable, P number 62755, on behalf of Mr. Napper, and we will waive his presence, Your Honor. Apparently, they don't have him in the jail.
All right, so we'll waive his appearance for this hearing. This is the date and time set for a probable cause hearing. Counsel, do you have all of the discovery at this time, Attorney Marable?
Yes, I do have. I think I do have all the discovery. Mr. Anderson is always very good about sending stuff. Is that correct, Mr. Anderson?
Yes, everything that I have, you have.
All right. All right, thank you so
But
much. So we're ready
I'm
for.
asking for.
Go ahead, Attorney Marable.
And I'm sorry for interrupting you, Your Honor. I'm asking for another PCC on this particular case. I haven't been able to talk to the client to review everything in this particular case, so I'm asking for January 2nd for a new PCC.
All right, I'll give you that adjournment, January 2nd, 8:30 a.m. for a new PCC. Everybody needs to be present for that one. At that point in time, Judge King is definitely going to set it for a preliminary exam, so please make sure you have your calendars available. The bond will remain the same as he is in Wayne County at this point in time.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Your
Your
Honor.
Honor.
You're welcome. Thank you. Have a great day, okay, y'all?
You as well. Thank you.
I will. Thank you. And I apologize for the hold up this morning, everyone.
No, we totally understand.
Okay.
Are we waiting on Michael Carr? Okay. Going to get ready to call Michael Carr.
Okay.
Calling case number 230-604-4401. The people of the state of Michigan versus Michael Javar Kowar. The defendant has been charged with count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence, set for probable cause today.
All right, appearances for the record, starting with the APA.
Good morning, Your Honor, and to your staff. Dinah Lynch, appearing on behalf of the people, P number 84589.
And counsel for the defendant, please state your name. Is counsel for the defendant there? Are they here? Are you here?
Let me make sure they're not in a breakout room because she was just Miss Coates. Just speaking with Mr. Coates, and I don't see her anymore. Okay, Your Honor, we might have to pass this one. I don't see her anymore.
It's okay, we can pass it. Let's move on to the next person.
Okay. Are we ready on Watson? Is it Kushhouse? Do we have both parties here still?
People are ready.
Okay. Is the person here for Ms. Wilmer? Are you here on Mr. Watson?
Yes, I'm the prosecutor. I believe his attorney is here as well. I think it's James Murray standing in.
Mr. Murray, are you here?
Mr. Murray.
I don't see it. Okay. That's that one. Okay. Are we ready on Mr. Alva Dargo? He has the interpreter here today.
Yes. Good morning. Abdul Qadir Al-Muwalli.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Munaluddin.
We're ready to proceed.
Okay, I don't see defense here for him.
I'm here, Your Honor.
That's the offense right there. They
Oh,
almost have
okay.
same names. It's very similar. What language dialect is this, ma'am?
It's Arabic, Your Honor.
Arabic. Okay, I just want to make sure. Okay,
Yes, thank you.
thank you. Go ahead, Madam Clerk.
Okay, and do we have the APA here off? Oh, that's Ms. Drain. Okay. Okay, calling case number 230-603-5701. The people of the state of Michigan versus Mr. Alvin Alden. Defendant is being charged with count 1, stalking aggravated, set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, starting with, oh no, first Madam Interpreter, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to translate the Arabic to English and the English to Arabic language to the best of your abilities?
I do.
Can you please state your name for the record and qualifications?
Tanya Ganem, Arabic qualified interpreter by the Supreme Court of Michigan.
Thank you so much. You may put your hand down, ma'am.
Thank you.
Counsel for the people, can you state your name, please?
المحامي تبع الولاية.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
شيلي درين هي المحامية الدولة.
All right. And for the counsel, can you state your name for Mr. Aladarin?
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Abathar Al-Qudari, 280-330 on behalf of Mr. Abdul Qadir Al-Nuruddin.
المحامي عبد القادري المحامي تبع أستاذ عبد القادر النور الدين.
Okay. Today is the date and time set for a PCC in this matter. Counsel, do you have all discovery at this time?
Your Honor, I believe we do at this point.
يعني اليوم الجلسة حتى نشوف إذا في أسباب كافية. فسألت المحامي إذا عنده كل الأوراق موجودة. عم بقول له بعتقد عندي إياها.
All right. Are we ready to set a preliminary exam on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. If I can kindly request from the court, because there will be another handling attorney, Mr. Arthur Brand will be handling this case from this point on. He's out of town, and he will be back the week of January 22nd. So are we able to schedule this, schedule the preliminary examination for that week, Your Honor?
I cannot. So you'll have to come back on January 2nd, 2024 and ask the judge. Then the furthest I can go out is January 10th at this point in time.
Okay. So should we just set up for another PCC and then come back to judge request
Yeah.
a later
Yes,
date?
sir.
عم بيقول المحامي إنه في محامي تاني آرثر براند هو رح يستلم القضية بس ما بيرجع غير لشهر 1 يوم 22. عم يسألها إذا فينا نكفي بعد هيدا التاريخ. قلت له لا بدك يما 1/2/24 يا 1/10 لحتى يرجعوا. بعدها بيرجع بيطالب إنه يأجل القضية ليوم تاني.
Okay. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you.
So,
أوكي
Your Honor,
خلاص ماشي.
our next PCC is on January 2nd.
January 2nd. And you can ask Judge King about setting it out that far.
Thank you, Your Honor.
شهر 1 يوم 2 المحكمة الثانية. بعد هيك تسأل القاضي كينج إذا في أجل لهالقد تاريخ.
Okay. Yes, sir. He keeps raising his hands. Are you okay?
I think
عليك
Arthur may like it is may come back like around January 8th. So if it is then there is قصدي في إمكانية ممكن هو يجي يوم 8. احتمال لو خلوها ب10 احتمال هو يجي يعني يكون أكثر إنه يجي آرثر. بدل
There
second.
is a possibility Mr. Arthur will be here on January 8th. So is there a possibility to set it up for January 10? So this way there is a chance that he will cover it.
The attorney just said that he won't be back until
Your
around the
Honor,
26th.
Your Honor, I would prefer, just so that we can play this safe, to wait until January 2nd before scheduling the.
عم بقول انه يعني يفضل انه يعني لل 22 لانه ممكن ما يكون يجي.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. You look nice for court today. I'm going to continue your bond. That concludes this hearing.
رح
Thank you.
تكفي نفس الكفالة وخلصنا الجلسة. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you,
You're
Your Honor.
welcome. You're
Appreciate it.
welcome. Thank
And
y'all
happy
all.
holidays.
Same to you. Happy
Thank you.
holidays.
Thank you.
Okay. No problem.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Calling case number 230-602-4101. The people of the state of Michigan versus Cassius Clifton Watson. The defendant has been charged with count 1, criminal sexual conduct, second degree, person under 13, defendant 17 years of age or older. Set for probable cause today.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Murray, PA 5490, standing in for the attorney of record, Ivan Land, on behalf of Mr. Watson, who's present via Zoom. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Watson.
Cassius Clifton Watson.
And good morning, Your Honor. Aaron Wilmoth, P82085, appearing on behalf of the people.
All right. This is the date and time set for a probable cause conference in this particular matter. Are we ready? Do you know if Attorney Land has all his discovery at this point in time?
I'm not sure. APA Wilmoth, does he have his discovery been made available?
I wasn't aware of who the attorney was until today.
Okay.
There is a kids talk that needs to be provided. I will need a protective order pursuant to statute signed by the court, so I can email that over today. And there are also some interviews with Mr. Watson that are included in the evidence.com link with the kids talk. So that will need to be provided as well.
Do you have dates to pick today, Attorney Murphy, for counsel or no?
I don't have dates. What dates does the court have available?
For this matter, I think he does homicides. Attorney Drain, help me out. He does homicides and CSCs on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Yes, homicides for sure, Tuesdays
Okay.
and Thursdays, yes.
This is a CSC though, so this would be a Monday, Wednesday, or Friday.
Okay, I wasn't sure because I know that he does. I know some of the more serious offenses he'll do on the other days. So it's January 10th is the date that we're looking at to set this for a preliminary exam.
Okay,
I'm
that works.
running into that same issue of being in trial that week. I'm supposed to start that trial on the 10th.
Is it on the 10th? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so it'll be on the 10th. Okay. All right. So y'all have to come back January 2nd for a probable cause conference.
That will give me time to get all the discovery over. And Mr. Murray, who are you standing in for again?
Ivan Land.
I'm not sure that I've had a case. Is there, you said Lane?
Land.
Land.
Oh, Ivan Land. Okay. That'll give me an opportunity to make sure I get all the discovery order, the protective order signed. So that would be fine, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. Well, if there's nothing further, yes.
What time is that set for on the 2nd?
8:30 a.m. He gonna have quite the PCC, so everybody needs to be able to pack their patience that morning, because none of these dates work for y'all. So he gonna have quite the stretch of them. So y'all just be patient that morning, okay?
Okay, thank you. And then last comment, Your Honor, I want to address bond at this time.
Okay. Mr. Watson appears to be out. Sir, can you state your name for the record?
Cassius Watson.
Thank you so much. Yes, you may address fine. What do you want to address?
And I would like to reiterate what the court stated. Mr. Watson is out. He's currently on tether with on house arrest. However, Mr. Watson is currently employed full time. His typical work hours are from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So we were asking if the people were amenable to a 7 to 7, or excuse me, 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. work provision where he can attend work in between those times and not be on house arrest.
Response from the people?
Your Honor, I'm not one to preclude people from working. So as long as the no contact order with the complainant is in place, I have no objection to a modification for those work hours and then house arrest the remainder of the time.
All right. Thank you so much, Attorney, for that. So at this time, the court is going to allow a modification to the tether to allow the hours from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the rest of the time will be on house arrest, though, sirs, as to remain in the same way. I need a order, though, to stay to the same Attorney Murphy, okay? So I can order that.
Will do. And Your Honor, for the record, he is from 6 to 6. So, and he lives in Brownsville, but works in Van Buren. So I was going to see if we can have an hour prior, so 5 to 7, so he can get to and from work. 6 to 7.
Okay. All right. Whatever the time frame for the work hours to allow him to
Okay.
have time to travel, absolutely back
Okay,
and
thank
forth to it. I will grant at this time. The no contact order, though, Mr. Watson is still very much in place. So beyond those work hours, you are to remain at your house and you are to have no contact with the complainant at this point in time. Do you understand, Mr. Watson?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so don't break that at all, because that will cause you just to have to be incarcerated and then you won't be able to go to work at all. Okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. If there's nothing further, is that the only thing, Attorney Murphy?
That's it. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Attorney for the people,
Thank
you
you.
all said, is that the only thing? You're welcome.
I'm all set. Nothing further from the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're very welcome. All right, this concludes this hearing. We'll see everybody back on January 2nd so that y'all can pick that, and make sure Attorney Land knows so they can pick that preliminary exam date.
Okay, will do.
Thank you.
Thank you. I
Thank you.
hope
Bye-bye.
everyone has a nice holiday.
You too.
Great day to you and your staff, Your Honor.
Okay, are we ready on Mr. Pringle with his presence to be waived?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Calling case number 230-603-0501. The people of the state of Michigan versus Sherman Pringle Jr. The defendant is being charged with count 1, homicide, murder, first degree, premeditated. Count 2, weapons, firearm, possession by a felon. Count 3 and 4, weapons, felony, firearm. The defendant is a habitual offender. Fourth offense notice, mandatory 25-year sentence. Today is set for probable cause.
Good morning. and
Appearance
may
for the
it
record. Go
please-
ahead.
I'm sorry, Judge.
You're okay. Go ahead.
Good morning, and may it please this honorable court. APA Jonathan Hitz appearing on behalf of the people, P85288.
And good morning, Your Honor. Brian Brown, P80560, appearing on behalf of Mr. Sherman Pringle with permission to waive his presence for today's hearing.
All right. And the court is going to grant that request. I'm going to waive its presence for today's hearing. Counsel, do you have the discovery needed and necessary for this matter?
Not yet. You go ahead, Mr. Hitz.
Yes, Mr. Brown does not have discovery in this case yet. I have discussed a protective order with Mr. Brown. I believe we have an agreement on a protective order regarding sensitive information that's contained in the discovery in this matter. I have submitted that to Ms. Drew. I'm not sure if she's had the opportunity to forward it to Your Honor for your review, but if that could be signed and entered, I'll make sure to get Mr. Brown discovery as soon as possible.
Okay, I'll review that when she forwards it to me. And if it is okay, I'll sign it and get it back over to you as soon as possible.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, so you're welcome. Are we looking for a preliminary exam date though, hopefully?
Yeah, we can preliminary examination. I'm not sure how soon you would be able to set that. I still would like to, review receive the discovery and then review it in a timely fashion, so I'll be adequately prepared.
Sounds like January 11th is the date that's available for
It
the
is
court.
January the 11th that's available, Attorney Brown. Does that work for you?
Yeah, I believe that I should be able to that and read
Okay.
that in a yes.
Thank you. The times we have are 11:30 and 1:30. Is the time better for somebody?
I would say maybe 1:30. I have some morning matters that I need to take care of that may go into 11 o'clock, 11:30.
All right.
Expect
Counsel,
this to be a very lengthy exam, Judge, so 1:30 is probably best. So
okay, 1:30 p.m. on January the 11th. Did I say the right date? Did I say January the 11th the first time?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, you did.
Okay, I just want to make sure. January 11th at 1:30 p.m. before the Judge, Honorable Judge King. It will be live at 36th District Court. If there's nothing further, his bond will continue. I know he's in Wayne County Jail at this point in time, so no change to bond. All right. If you give me over that order, as soon as I get it, I'll sign it and return it so that you can make sure he gets discovery, hopefully today or tomorrow, if possible. Okay, counsel?
yes, Judge, and if you put your email address in the chat to me, I can send it directly to you as well.
I sure will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Thank you all.
Thank you. Happy holidays, everybody.
Same to you. Thank you. Let me get you.
I was getting ready to call Michael Gohart, but I don't see his attorney returned yet. It was Miss Coach, she was on. Let's see, what about Kirk Myers? Are you ready on Mr. Myers?
Yes, ready, clerk. Thank you.
Uh-huh. Okay, calling case number 22-0580-9201. The people of the state of Michigan versus Kirk Myers. The defendant has been charged with count 1, larceny in the building, count 2, breaking and entering illegal entry without owner permission. Defendant is a visual offender, second offense notice, set for probable cause today.
Appearances for the record, starting with the people, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning to Your Honor, court staff, Jonathan Roberts, P 86428, on behalf of Mr. Myers, just requesting that his appearance be waived for the purposes of this proceeding, Your Honor.
All right, at this time, the court's going to allow that and waive his appearance for this proceeding. This is the date and time set for a probable cause conference. Attorney Drain, have we gotten counsel the discovery in this matter?
I sent it. I hope he has received it.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
we did
good.
receive the discovery packet. Thank you.
Fantastic. All right. So are we ready to set a preliminary exam?
Yes, Judge.
All right. We're looking at the date of January 10th. January 10th, starting at 9:15. Do any of those times 9:15 or 9:30, 9:45, 10?
If there's something after 10:30, Your Honor, I will be in Frank Murphy at 9, and it typically runs late. So I just want to make sure I'm here in time.
How about 11? Does that work for everyone? 11
That would be-
a.m.? Okay,
Yes.
fantastic. So we are going, yes, I got 2 today. We're going to set it for the preliminary exam for January 10th at 11 a.m. Bond will continue at this point in time if there's nothing else, unless you wanted to address bond. Does anyone want to address bond?
Not at this time, Judge.
No, Judge.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
All right, thank you so much. All right, so at this time, we'll have the in-person preliminary exam on January 10th at 11 a.m. before the Honorable Judge King, okay?
Thank you.
Happy
You're
holidays.
welcome. Happy holidays to you too.
Okay,